Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how to remove your watermark or logo from video using Filmora. So first thing that you'll need to do is you have to open your Filmora, and here you can import the file or the video that you want to edit. So just go ahead and then drag this video right here. And as you can see, this video has a logo or a watermark. So here, the first method that we can do is the cropping. So we just have to right click the video and just select the crop and zoom option. So here you just have to crop the video, just exclude the logo or the watermark. So you can also use the ratio and then click on apply. So when you preview this video, as you can see, the watermark is no longer in this section. Now for our second method is we have to use the effects. So let's bring back the logo or the watermark for this video. Now you just have to click on the effects at the top. So this one right here, and look for the mosaic effect. Okay, so just type out the mosaic, and here you just have to drag this one at the top of the video. And as you can see, when you double click this one, you can see different options. So here you just have to select the blur effects that you want to use. So for example, I want to use this one, and you can adjust the blur amount. So you just have to drag that, okay, to the watermark or the logo. So as you can see, the logo is not clear anymore. Okay, now for our third method is we have to cover up or add an image to the logo or watermark. So to do that, all we have to do is to import a photo from our folder. So here you just have to click on this one and then click on import media and then add the photo that you want to use. So you just have to drag this out above the video and then resize this. And after that, you can use your own logo to cover up the logo or the watermark of the video. So like that. And that's a wrap. Those are the three methods that you can use in order to remove the logo or the watermark from the video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.